If you want to go ahead and arrange out brightness and contrast in Adobe Media Encoder while exporting out content, then you can use something called SDR Conform Effect. So to do that, I can go around over here. You can see that I have a source file. I can go around and click on the format right here to open up the export settings. And if you were to go around over here under effects, you can go ahead and scroll down, and here you can see that SDR Conform is an option. You can go ahead and change the brightness, as you can see right here, and you can see a preview right here on the left hand side. You can go ahead and increase or decrease the brightness, or even go ahead and type in the value right here, and even change around the contrast right here of the video as you want. And then you can make it soft right here. You can make it very harsh by decreasing the softness or increasing it out right here. So this is what you have. So you can see the source and the output. So you can make a basic edit right here for the brightness and contrast and softness of it right here. So simply go around over here, and then let's say, for example, choose an output name right here in desktop. Let's say, for instance, press OK. And then if you were to go ahead and hit the stop queue, then what happens is that this is what you have. You get the video exported out right here, just like this, with the contrast and brightness adjusted right from within Adobe Media Encoder. So that is how you can go ahead and use SDR Conform Effect inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.